Hello, everybody. This is Chuck Carnevale, co-founder of FastGraphs, the fundamentals analyzer software tool, aka Mr. Valuation. Bringing you another in my Lessons in Valuation subscriber request series 2 minutes drill. These companies are companies that subscribers has asked to look at, not ones that I'm necessarily featuring, so I want to make that clear. But I do like the idea of these videos because it allows me to show how important FastGraphs can be to helping you make better investment decisions. It's called a tool to think with. This is an interesting company in that it's had very consistent earnings growth since 2013 all the way through 2022. And then we had this period of collapsing earnings, but expectations are for very strong growth going forward. That's something you'd have to check and look into further with your own research and due diligence. But this is a tool to think with FastGraphs. So if I take this and I scroll this back to their growth phase here, you can see that the stock price was really reflecting a 25% consistent growth rate out through fiscal year 2022. We can see the stock was overvalued. It corrected. However, now if I bring the stock back to current value, you can see as the company's earnings fell, the stock price has fallen. Now the only question is, are the forecasts that the analysts are expecting, and there's only one analyst forecasting this huge number, so I probably wouldn't even look past 2026 if I was even doing research on this stock. But anyway, it's an interesting looking company, has modest debt, no dividend. It's purely a growth situation at this point. Do your own homework, do your own due diligence. But thanks for watching. If you liked the video, give me a like, subscribe to the YouTube channel if you haven't, and also take a look at subscribing to FastGraphs. You can just see how much information you can get just by a quick glance at FastGraphs, what it can tell you about the business behind the stock you're investing in. Thanks for watching.